Mannings Hill Road, then turn right onto Mannings Hill Road.
See how it gives you plenty of warning? Well, a couple times I turned too soon.
Turn right onto Mannings Hill Road. Continue on Mannings Hill Road for 2 kilometers.
That's not where she usually comes out at. It's up here a little ways where she comes
But because
out.
you're going to...
No, because when she goes to Mannings Hill Road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She don't...
Yeah. I tried to flash him. I don't know if I got the job done. Oh, that's a diesel. Wow.
Oh, okay. So diesel, what are these run?
This runs on gasoline.
Yeah, I know, on gasoline. Which one better?
Huh?
Which
Diesel. Diesel's typically a diesel engine will last a lot longer.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you're gonna be doing a lot of driving,
These are good.
yeah.
Okay.
It's like
I didn't know.
yeah. And they have a lot of torque, so just they're good. I only had one diesel one time. It was an old Mercedes Benz that a guy gave me.
Shelly said the vehicle drive good on it, sound very good on it coming up the hill.
Oh yeah?
I
Okay.
didn't hear she telling us that. It's really sound good.
Cool day.
Yeah.
Only 27
It's
out.
nice, it's nice.
Only 27 out.
27.
Yeah. Because it's overcast,
Yeah. Very nice because you can see better.
I set the camera on higher resolution with a lower frame speed, so it can take in the light better. So hopefully that does the job for us. It's been a long time since I've used this setting, but I have used it before, so it's not completely new. Go ahead, lady. I didn't want to get behind. I might not have been so polite if I knew I would get behind a truck over that deal.
What? That carried it too near, by the way.
What's he doing? Welcome to Jamaica.
Yeah. It's nervous to drive here.
Yeah, you just have to really be focused. That's why I wanted to get all that camera, that video set up ahead of time. You know, because you just have people in the middle, they just stop.
Yeah, they don't stop
like that guy, you know.
Yeah,
the road's barely wide enough as it is, and then people just stop.
Yeah, they don't even care, think about the other person. Oh, it affects the other person.
And that truck wanted to go backwards. What's this guy doing?
That big old truck.
What's that guy doing? What's he doing clear over there?
Slight right onto Constant Spring Road.
The guy on the motorcycle's not even interested if the light's green or not. He's interested if he can cross.
It's interesting. He's moving.
Continue on Constant Spring Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Oh, I was going to get over, but there's a motorcycle right next to me. I got a 1.5 kilometers to get over. But that bus is probably going to stop and do me a favor, maybe. At least go slow. There we go. Okay. He didn't tell me which way to turn next, but I'm pretty sure I got to turn left. So, woo, boy, the sun came out. It really. Who's honking and why?
They couldn't be honking at you.
Well, that doesn't mean they weren't. Shelly Ann says that's crazy. We were at a light yesterday. Maybe it was the first day. And it was very busy traffic. Or maybe it was me and Alwyn. And you couldn't hardly even see the traffic light. It was backed up so far. And there was some guy behind us honking.
For what?
That's what we said. Why we bothered to honk? The people who they're honking at to go, because the light's green, you can barely see them. They can't even hear your horn.
Yeah.
You know, so why bother? Plus, they might be going, you just can't even know because they're so far ahead, and it's going to take a while for the cars, you know,
to
go.
Be a bit too honk.
Those taximen, just like that taximan just parked there, you know.
Yeah, no business.
People who watch this from the U.S. won't believe it. They won't believe.
Yeah, it's true.
Actually, this part will be the best part of the video.
That truck with us.
Yeah. Well, no, you know it would have been a good video if we'd had the video try to come into town and you could hear the GPS and the audio saying all this craziness on where to turn and all this, and it turns out it just takes us into a
close.
Not even a road there anymore.
In 300 meters, turn left onto West Kings House Road.
This don't sound like a Jamaican person.
Huh?
It's a Jamaican person?
No!
Okay.
You want a Jamaican voice?
Turn left onto West Kings House Road.
Yeah.
You want a Jamaican voice, so this doesn't good for you, huh?
So why they use a foreign voice? Why they don't use a Jamaican?
You can change the voice. You can even get like cartoon characters and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, but you have to pay for it.
Right onto
Well, maybe not on this. On a different GPS I had. I don't know if you can change it on here.
I'm turning to Patois.
Yeah, you really think? I would really get lost. I'd get lost for sure if you change it to
I want them to
Patois.
have Patois.
No. They might have a Jamaican accent,
Yeah.
but they're not going to have patois.
It's
Because
you guys, patois.
even some Jamaicans don't do that well with patois.
Yeah, okay.
You know.
Yeah, it's Fontana.
Okay, Waterloo Road in 100 feet.
This was this wasn't the Fontana we went.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
This is the one we went to.
Oh, it looks like it's on a hill.
See the big pothole there? They put the cones to. Yeah, that's it. We went right in there.
Okay. It seemed like the place was flat to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Turn right onto Waterloo Road.
But if it's going to be right away, it'll tell me.
Mhm.
It'll tell me it's right away. But just because it's not right away, I still sometimes need to right away start getting in the correct lane.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to turn left up here. The next one will be a left, so I'm going to get in the left lane. But sometimes the left lanes go away.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you kind of have to know what you're doing sometimes.
Yeah.
The guy behind me just honked. Or the guy
Yeah,
in
you
front.
heard him.
Yeah, they're honking because the light has a green arrow and
So
somebody
what
didn't
about people who are before?
somebody didn't floor it.
Continue on Waterloo Road for 800 meters.
Then it must become something else. Because it shows to go straight to Trafalgar Road, whatever that is.
Trafalgar Road.
It's like I go straight quite a ways. This just changes into another name.
Yeah.
See? I've noticed that in several places. You'll have a road, and the road just you
change.
Yeah, there's not even the road doesn't even keep going.
Mm-hmm.
It has a different name and it's the same road, but
it change.
Yeah, because people have like in Denver, there weren't people living in Denver 400 years ago. There were people living here 400 years ago.
Yeah.
Denver, it may be 100, maybe 200 now. When I was a kid, it was 150 at the most.
Oh, you have to people?
Years.
Years. Okay.
Before any civilization that was putting in roads and stuff, other than just the.
Continue straight past Reggae Mill Restaurant and Bar, OPA Greek Restaurant onto Trafalgar Road.
I don't know why it's telling me about all these restaurants and stuff, but. It kind of turns and then it becomes Trafalgar or whatever.
Trafalgar.
Yeah, it kind of does a turn to the left, but I don't even see that you can go straight, even if you wanted to. But then when I do turn, finally, I'll turn to the left. So I think this is where I want to be.
Continue straight past Reggae Mill Restaurant and Bar, OPA Greek Restaurant onto Trafalgar Road. Continue on Trafalgar Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, 1.5 kilometers, and I turn left on Lady Musgrave. Lady Musgrave Road. How'd you know Musgrave? How'd you know that?
Oh, because.
Oh, I didn't even start the last name. I just said Lady, and you already knew.
Yeah. Because I know it's around here, you know?
Yeah.
Because this is an uptown area, you know?
Oh, okay. You knew the road was here, or you knew that person, Lady Musgrave, or both?
I don't know. I know the road.
Look, and then it says turn right.
Yeah.
So if this is a double turn lane, I'm gonna have to try to get over, but I don't know that. There's no way to know.
Here is an uptown here. Lady Musgrave, Waterloo Road, Trafalgar Road, all those places are in the same vicinity.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Devon House. I know.
No, we went by Devon House back there.
Okay, so
yeah.
yeah. Although I can't find my way there, but I know
But
they are
you
in
know,
the same vicinity,
yeah,
and
yeah.
it's an uptown area. This area uptown. Where you would find embassies and.
Well, it seems like it's going to be a double turn lane, so I want to stay in the rightmost lane that turns. Oh, that's not a turn lane, that's a bus stop. Okay. I got a little ways to go. Oh, I got 800 meters to go. That's a ways. That's nearly a kilometer.
Your GPS office. It's a GPS office. Let's see.
What kind of trees are those?
These palm?
They're palm trees?
Yeah, they are palm. It's a kind of.
A special kind.
Yeah. You have so many kind of palm.
Yeah,
They are
okay.
family to the coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah. This look like the same palm oil.
Mm-hmm.
That one that do the thing called the palm oil.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Lady Musgrave Road.
You can still have the palm from too.
Turn left onto Lady Musgrave Road.
Yep, looks like a single turn lane. But if it goes into two lanes, now can I go because I think I can. Okay, so I'll go into this lane. So
In 300 meters, turn right onto Fairway Avenue.
Oh, it merges, so you just don't know. You have to just be prepared, you know. It merges, but then it goes back to two lanes. See, look.
Turn right onto Fairway Avenue.
Probably could have gone because the arrow didn't turn red, but in the States I think you're supposed to stop. I should be able to go though now because it doesn't.
No, you can't go now when the vehicle.
Well, no, when if the vehicle stopped coming, I should be able to go because I don't have a red light. I don't have a red. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. It's probably going to turn red. Or somebody behind me will honk. There, see, it's going to turn red. As soon as people get through, it turns red.
In 600 meters, slight left.
Slight left? Doesn't make sense. Because the picture shows a slight right. Oh. Okay, well. Oh, maybe up there. Oh, I see where the slight left is. Okay. I see where it is. It's up here.
Slight left on Stanton Terrace.
Go a slight left, and then I go a slight right. Oh gosh, people. This is the slight left this way, right through a yellow light.
In
Perfect.
200 meters, turn right onto Mountain View
Oh,
Avenue.
okay, that's the right one. Right through a yellow light. The guy behind me did the same thing, so. And the guy behind him. I'm worried about it going through a yellow. You know? Okay, 4 kilometers in Windward Road. I think. Usually it says. But it didn't say a thing.
So this is Mountain View.
I don't know what this is. I'd say 3.7 meters or 3.6 maybe by now.
3.2.
3.7? Okay.
Windward Road, right? Windward Road. So okay, I'm on Mountain View.
Mountain View Primary School right
Mountain
there.
View, yeah.
Okay. What's Mountain View Primary School? You know anything about it in particular, or you just...
No, just a school. No, I said
Okay.
here it's Mountain View.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Mountain
Okay.
View. Yeah. Here is Mountain.
It must be because you can see mountains, not because you're viewing the landscape from a mountain.
What's the name of the place?
You know?
Maybe because you are viewing the mountain, the name Mountain View.
This is the road where we had the roadblock, isn't it, that we were on coming into town? Where the police were doing the roadblock? Up in here somewhere?
When we were coming to town?
When we were on the way to town.
Yeah, some road here.
Yeah.
Some merchant I was telling you that it's an area that can be very...
Yeah, it was in this area somewhere.
Yeah.
But we had, I don't remember exactly where, but...
Police car there. Because I'll make sure you can see other people. You know, I said that's where... So everything's okay.
I hope I started the record. Because you have to stop record to set all the settings. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it did. I don't need to worry about it right now. Because if I didn't, I did. What? Are you kidding me? Woo! That guy about took out a bicyclist. Maybe this is more like the area we had to stop.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Windward Road. Turn left onto Windward Road.
That corner, then they put one old chair.
Mm-hmm. This one that had a... Was that the one that had a chair in it before?
Yeah.
Or, no, I'm not sure it was, but... Oh, I can't turn left on red in Jamaica. I almost forgot. Probably not a bad idea to have the doors locked in this neighborhood. It's, you know, this is where they have police roadblocks and lots of gangs and stuff.
So why, when we driving the doors,
I don't know why they don't lock automatic. Maybe it's some setting I need to change. But I don't know how to
Continue on
change it.
Windward Road for 1 kilometer.
I need to probably figure that out. It'd be nice if they just locked automatic, you know, when you start driving.
Yeah.
The Volkswagen did that, remember?
Yeah.
Remember how it would change automatic? Yeah.
It looks so pretty to look up in the mountain, you know. One you're going freaking day run. Come in. Oh, you so.
He's hungry. He's a MAGA dog. MAGA dog. Very MAGA.
MAGA dog.
Say it again.
MAGA.
MAGA.
Push out tonight. Yeah.
MAGA dog.
MAGA dog.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Sir Floresville Glass Bowl Highway, A4.
Okay, that's what I'll do.
Turn left onto Sir Floresville Glass Bowl Highway, A4. Continue on A4 for 4 kilometers.
He was a governor general for the Sir Floresville Glass Bowl.
Well, seems like we're, other than the roundabout at the airport, we're out of town. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jamaica flour mill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're out of town.
Yeah. Boy, the water looks a little windy rough, doesn't it?
Can't sleep up, yeah.
The big clouds out there. Woo! Somebody with a who calls their name of their who calls themselves Trelawney. He hasn't posted any videos, but he's followed me and he's left several comments on videos. He says, "I don't know how I found your channel." Well, I know how he found it. It pops up, you know, based on what he enjoys. Yeah, that happens to us. We find new channels based on the ones we already like.
But based on the one you already like.
He says, "I don't know." He says, but he said he watched our coal harvest, and he said he laughed and laughed at us. He said, we did work hard, took your time and did a good job. He said, I laughed. He said, I laughed so hard with the way you two interacted. Or he didn't use those words, but he said, I like the way you guys made it fun, even though it was very hard work.
Yeah.
That is true. We do, you know. We make things fun. We might even be giving each other a hard time, but we're trying to make things fun, you know.
Okay. So you saw he like his
I'm sure he subscribed because he made a comment on 3 different videos.
You saw his picture?
No, he didn't have a picture. It's not a picture of him. It just his name is Trelawney, and I can't remember what the picture's of. But now the people that are in the roundabout, they have the right of way, right?
I don't know.
Americans do not know how to do roundabouts. That's the truth.
Yeah, it must be the people who are in the roundabout.
I think they have the right of way.
Yeah.
So theoretically, you could have the right of way and drive miles upon miles. All you'd have to do is just drive around the roundabout constantly. You wouldn't have to worry about anybody. It'd be a good way for a student driver to learn to do corners. There's a popo.
That's a popo in Moja, so
So I want to go to the...
You know, David.
Huh?
I said, see a whole lot of popo.
In 500 meters,
that
as a
side.
roundabout, take the second exit onto 84.
Okay. Second exit. Come on, man. What are you doing? Turn it on. Oh yeah, there is one right there.
I'm just past.
One.
I didn't see any
Exit
pass
the
you.
roundabout onto 84.
I said if I didn't see any police vehicle pass you, the same one that was...
Yeah, I saw it.
I was saying that there was about 4 police vehicles one the next. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
And they are outside and they're checking.
Going the other way.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't notice that. Okay. I hope I'm on the right road. It looks like the right road, doesn't it?